There. Good morning again. Now it's time for English language. English language. Today is still Tuesday, 5th of May, 2020. And we are learning words with E and E sound. E and E sound. I wrote IE and I wrote Y. But the way they sound at the end of a word is what we are learning. First, we'll start with words that end with IE. Words that end with IE words that end with IE. Can you think of such words? Can you think? Pie. I ate a pie yesterday. I ate a pie yesterday. Pie. We all know pie. It might be a meat pie or a pie made with any other. I'm thinking of other pies that we've seen. Those ones that are round, baked, that look like cake. Yummy. Mustard pie, chocolate pie, different types of pie. Pie, P-I-Y. Or lie. I'm thinking of two meanings for the word lie, but when you see it, lie. Please, I want to lie down. Or don't tell a lie. Lie, it ends with IE. So when you see words that end with IE, it sounds I. I. What other word can you think of? How about tie? Tie the mouth of the balloon. Tie the mouth of the balloon so it does not deflate. Tie. Or, you know that tie that you knot? Maybe the one you will knot for your church wears, the day you're wearing a suit, your uncle is getting married. That tie. The one that he uses when he goes to work. Tie. Or die. Have we done tie and die before? Oh, we sure must do one if we've not done it. Die. Or another one. There's another meaning for die. Don't worry, in your assignment you will do this. Okay. So, these are examples of the words that end with IE. Examples of the words that end with IE. So, words that end with Y. Can you think of a word that ends with Y? They are simple words. You know, when you say, my name is, my ends with Y. My ends with Y. My. My. By the way. By the way. Where are you going? By. By. Or you use the word, I want to go to the market. I want to go and buy something. I want to buy at the market. So we have my, buy, buy. Fly. You fly, 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 the butterfly in the ghetto is flying up. In the garden is flying low. Fly, 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 the butterfly. Fly. Let me give you one more word. Dry. Dry. So when you see words that end with Y or end with IE, you read it as Y. My, buy, buy, fly, dry. Pie, lie, tie, die. Now I want you to give me 3 words each that end with I and I. 3 words each that end with I and I. Thank you.